Yeah, I don't trust this. So good. What is the practice on the thing? So, like, he's gonna break it up. Oh, cone hitter. Psycho. They turn the music off so I don't get copyrighted. Like shit though. Oh, you didn't even think about that. He's a nutcake. This game's that's his home. No F's. Alright, here we go. Alright. Let's go. Ooh. I like the lights. Yeah. Very subtle, very subtle. Oh yeah. Damn! Okay, RF game. Yeah, no. Where's Trent? I mean, Micah. He said he was doing all the Sure. I want to see a drifter move. Oh, it's a three-wheel. You think he was second? Yeah. Good afternoon. Good show. Kill time. Right. It's a practice one. Okay. Yeah. He's like, I'm just here.
That's what I'm saying. I would be like,
let's try to get to the grocery store. sound like that?
Those pops are like that. That loud. Shutter speed. You gotta fuck with your shutter speed.
A nut cake.
Showing y'all side. Jeez. Okay.
I can see Troy no children.
There you go. Hey Vic, what is that? That's a suit. That's a suit. Hey, how much you think one go for?
Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.